Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went ahead and used the Harley Quinn palette that I ordered. I also got the Joker one, but I'm gonna use that tomorrow, so yeah. The lip gloss that I'm wearing is the Harley Quinn lip gloss that came with the collection. This is what the inside of the palette looks like. I'm probably only gonna use it a couple times because I really do want to keep it for like a collector's item. But yeah, I think it's so stinking cute. So this is the Joker palette. I'm really excited to play with this one too. The green and the orange and the yellow. So this is the Joker lip gloss. It's obviously red. I'm super excited about that. Pretty uneventful day today. I think we just have to go grocery shopping whenever my husband gets off work. So that's gonna be fun. My daughter's running around behind me. So before she hops in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right in. Here she comes. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. Are you gonna try to pick up these palettes? They are from Makeup Revolution. They were only $10 a piece, so I was super excited to get my hands on them. I think I need to order the Batman and the Catwoman next before they like sell out, but I need to check and see if they even still have any in stock. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and just end this here. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe so that you can see future videos. I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.